Is your Android phone taking forever to load websites? Do YouTube videos keep buffering even though your Wi-Fi says full signal? Or does your mobile data suddenly become slow for no obvious reason? The good news is that the problem isn't always your internet provider. In many cases, a few hidden Android settings can improve how your phone connects to the internet, making browsing, streaming, and downloading feel much faster. In this video, I'll show you several simple settings that take only a few minutes to change. Some of them are built into every Android phone, while others are often overlooked. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final tip fixes one mistake that causes slow internet for millions of Android users. Before we begin, here's something important. These settings won't magically triple the speed your internet provider gives you. If your internet plan is slow, no phone setting can change that. However, these adjustments can reduce delays, improve connection efficiency, and help your phone get the best possible performance from the internet you already have. Let's get started. Change your DNS server. Every time you open a website, your phone first asks a DNS server where that website is located. Think of DNS as the internet's phone book. If that lookup takes longer than necessary, websites can appear slower even though your actual download speed is perfectly fine. Changing your DNS server is one of the easiest settings to try. Here's how. Open Settings. Go to Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon beside your connected Wi-Fi network. Choose IP settings. Change it from DHCP to static. Now scroll down until you see DNS settings. For DNS 1, enter 8.8.8.8. For DNS 2, enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. Another excellent option is Cloudflare. DNS 1, 1.1.1.1. DNS 2, 1.0.1. Depending on your location, one may respond faster than the other. After saving the settings, restart your phone before testing your connection. Enable Private DNS. Many Android users never notice this setting. Private DNS helps your phone securely communicate with DNS servers and can improve reliability on many networks. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS. Choose Private DNS provider, hostname. If you want Google's DNS, type dns.google. Or for Cloudflare, type 1, 1, 1, 1. Save the settings. If a network doesn't support private DNS, simply switch back to automatic. Remove old Wi-Fi networks. Here's something many people overlook. Your phone remembers every Wi-Fi network you've ever connected to. Home, school, hotels, coffee shops, friends' houses. Sometimes your phone tries reconnecting to one of these weak networks, causing poor internet performance. Open your saved Wi-Fi networks and remove the ones you no longer use. Keeping only your trusted networks helps your phone connect more efficiently. Stop background data from slowing you down. Your internet isn't always being used by the app you're looking at. Many apps constantly work in the background. They're syncing photos, downloading updates, refreshing social media feeds, backing up files, checking notifications. All of this uses bandwidth. Open your phone's settings. Go to Apps. Select apps you rarely use. Restrict their background data if you don't need them constantly syncing. This leaves more bandwidth available for the apps you're actively using. Check your APN settings. If you mainly use mobile data, your APN settings are worth checking. APN stands for Access Point Name. It tells your phone how to connect to your mobile carrier's network. Go to Settings, SIM card and mobile network. Access Point Names. Open your current APN. Scroll until you find authentication type. Depending on your carrier, you may see options like PAP, CHAP, PAP, or CHAP. There isn't one option that's best for everyone. Different carriers use different configurations. If you're curious, test each available option and run a speed test afterward. Keep whichever performs best for your network. Use the right network mode. Many people automatically choose 5G whenever it's available. But that's not always the fastest option. If your 5G signal is weak, your phone may constantly switch between 5G and LTE. That switching can actually make your connection feel slower. Go to your mobile network settings and check your preferred network type. If you're in an area with weak 5G coverage, selecting LTE or 4G may provide a more stable experience. Sometimes stability is more important than peak speed. Restart your phone after making changes. This sounds simple, but it's surprisingly important. Restarting refreshes your phone's network services and ensures your new settings are properly applied. After restarting, give your phone a minute before testing your internet again. Now it's time to see whether these changes helped. Use the same location, the same Wi-Fi network or mobile signal. Run multiple speed tests instead of relying on just one. Also pay attention to how quickly websites open, how smoothly videos stream, and whether apps respond faster. Real-world performance often matters more than the numbers alone. Small changes can make a noticeable difference, especially if your phone has been using default settings for years. Try these tips one at a time and keep the settings that work best for your device and network. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical Android, Wi-Fi, and internet optimization tips. And if you'd like to see more videos on improving your internet speed, let me know in the comments what phone you're using and which tip worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.